Hi, welcome to MasterCadx YouTube channel. Hi, welcome to MasterCadx. Today I'm going to discuss plumber block design. Out of the main part, we called it is a casting. In a casting, if you see in the cut section of that, in the cut section of it is a 2D diagram. So diagram is visible in this format. So for that one, so how to start the first command. So now I'll start from the front view. Means the front view means this is the front view which I draw first a outer diagram. Then I will go to the extrude. The amount of it is 46. Okay, then the remaining the whole and the remaining command I'll done in the after the extrude command. Okay, the first will be I will construct this the outer part. For that one I start from the center point. From the center point I will take the line command and I will design over there. So new standard IPT. Next I will decide it is tool and I will change the first unit. The unit is in inches, so I will take in millimeter, apply, close. So it depends on that in a diagram what type of unit is given. So in case the mention in a diagram whether centimeter, meter or inches, then you have to change the unit respectively. So first is a 3D model. So from this is that is a 3D. So first I will convert it into the 2D sketch. So I will take the any one plane over here. So now all the it is a 2D command will be activated. Now here I start from the center point. From this center point to our here distance is 208 and half of that one is 104. So I will take the line command and directly return it is 208 divided by 2. Okay, the next one is the height from here to here it is 40, not inclined, it is a completely the vertical. That distance is 14 mm. Next from this distance to up to over here, that the distance is not given over here and you have to see from it is a top view. So where it is a given the distance it is R54, it is a radius is 54, means from here to here distance is 54, that means is from here to here distance is 54 and I require distance is this one, means 104 means 208 divided by 2 means 104 distance minus half 54, so we get this distance. It is 104 minus 54. Enter. Next from here to here height is not given. Total height is given 68. 68 minus 14. Next from here to here distance is up to this center point to over here it is 54 and this distance is given from here to here is 56. The 56 half it is a 28, means the distance is 54 minus 28. Okay. Now from here to here is the depth is given directly, it is a 16 mm. And the distance is not given, so for that one we have to draw one circle. Using the circle then the distance which is mentioned, but you have to take out the center point. It is not the center point of this one and the line is not same, so that is a gap is given, it is 4 mm, means 16 plus 4 20. It is a distance from here to here. Okay, so first I will draw the circle. I take the one point here to identify it as a distance, means this is a point over here, and the distance from this line to from this way to point, that is 20 mm. Okay, now I will draw a circle which is a given in terms of radius, that is 24. So this is a circle, means in a software it is asking it is diameter. Okay, so radius is given 24, so 24 into 2, so that is the diameter of circle. Now once I get this circle, next I will join this line command and join this. So now here this is the axis line, for that is trim command, and apply our trim command in this here. Okay, now I will join this line from this point to here. So from this point to up to over here, this is unnecessary line, so for that one, that object I will be going to trim. The half portion is over. Now you can see over here there is an inclined over. Okay, so that inclination angle is given, it is a 106. So 106, so first I will the line and the angle between from here to here, so that is, so I want that this distance and this one, so that is 180 minus 106, means this angle will be, you will get over here 180 minus 106. So remaining that unwanted line, delete it by using trim command. Okay, this line is not going to trim because this is a complete line, there is no any cross section, so they are asking that this command is not valid, so you have to go for that, directly select that and in a keyboard press the delete command. Now the half portion is over. Now in this there is a one, it is a fillet is given, but that fillet I am not doing for it because that will I doing after. The reason behind that one, you can see that this on top view there is a one circular, this is a circular, you have to apply first is the circular, then it will be, you have to do the 3D fillet command. Okay, the half portion is over, so remaining half portion I will use, it is a, the command is called it a mirror command. So this is a mirror command, asking the object, so I will select all the object, next a mirror line, so this one is a mirror line and apply and done. So means the half portion is over. Now I delete this line because it is a unnecessary. So this is my a complete of profile. Next I'll finish the sketch. So this is my sketch. Now they are asking it is a 3D command. So this is my 3D command, extrude, and I'll apply the 3D command. Now they are asking that how much it is a width. That width is 46. Now in this case I will go for both, and 46 is a distance, means from the middle plane, from front view is a 23 and back is a 23. Okay, so this is my initial view is over. Now after that the remaining command I will do it over here. The first I will go from the top view, So this is my top view which I will construct first. For that one they are asking the plane. So where I am doing the operation on this plane. So I select the sketch and I will select the plane. So this is my second sketch on this plane, and I'll draw the circle. That circle dimension is the given is R52. So R52, sorry, it is R54. So 54 into 2 is the radius. So I have to remove only this. Okay, that one what I'll do here, I'll draw the line. Okay, and remaining we are going to trim. So this one is not required, this line is not required, and this one is not required. Okay, this is my only the object I have going to trim. The similar will be happen in the opposite side. For that one I'll take one line and I will go to the mirror command, select the object, and mirror line is over here and apply. Done. Okay, so next is this line is not required, I taken for the reference and finish the. So next the sketch 2 is ready. So they are asking it is a 3D command. So this is my object, and the next one it is a cut section, and the distance from here to here is the given, it is from this point to up to this layer, it is 68 minus 40. 68 minus 40. Okay, once it applied, okay, you can see the top view. So this is a view. Now there is a one fillet is given out here, and that fillet is given R8. The R8 will be given, it is a fillet. First write that dimension is 8 and select the edges. Okay, so this is a way of we are doing it is a fillet command. So next one is, you can see the on top view there is one pocket. You can see that the depth of the pocket it is a 2 mm. Okay, and the distance is 195. So the plane you have to select. Now the next one it is third sketch from the bottom, from this center point. Okay, we take that is rectangle by the center, and I select over here, and the distance of this one it is 208 minus 195. So that distance and divided by 2 means half of this one and half of this one. So I'll take the distance from here to here, that is bracket open 208 minus 195 bracket close divided by 2, and it is a 6.5. So automatically this also taken. If you want to check the dimension, it is a 6.5. Okay, so finish the sketch. Next extrude or here, and it is a cut section, and depth is given, it is 2 mm. You can see, so that is 2 mm of the depth. No. So this is a way of you are doing it is a in a pocket in bottom. Now the remaining is the second hole and the third, which is a bolt, and another for it will be fixed into the benches. So now how to do this one? They given a dimension here in a top view. First I will do it over this one, and second this one, and using the 3D mirror command I will click on here other side. So how to construct this one? That dimension is given from this center point to over here, that is 154. It is a total, you have to take that, it is a half that one, so 154 divided by 2. So now here I take the selection of the plane from this one, so I'll select the plane, and first I'll take the reference line, and that reference line distance is from here to here, it is 154 divided by 2. Now there is a circle is given, a dimension of this one is r6. Okay, you have to see that in case the dimension is not given over here, you have to see the another dimension, that is r6. So now I apply that r6 over there, means it is a radius is given, the diameter is become it is 12. The next another circle is given, that also same, that is 12 mm. Okay, means this circle, and the difference between these two is given, it is 8 mm. So I'll take it as a dimension from here to this center point, and it is 8 mm, and I'm joining this two by using the line command. You have to worry about that, it is a tangent should be, symbol should be visible. It's very important. You can see the in a screen, the tangent symbol will be visible over here. Now this is a unwanted line, I'm going to trim this, which is not required during the design. And the next one is I delete this line also. So my sketch is over, so I will go to the extrude again. I'll remove this one by cut section, and distance is all. Okay, all means automatically take the next surface, and cut section. Okay, so one is over, and second one is the same thing, you can see over here. So I will select the second, and from here to here is the distance is given 78, and there is a square type, you can see this is a square type, but the square type is given SQ, and 28 means the height and width it is a 28 unit only. Okay, so now I'll take one reference line, that reference line from here to this one, from here to here, it is 78 divided by 2. And from there I'll take it as a rectangular by center point, and the dimension is was given, it is 28, and similarly height and width is given 28. Okay, next I will delete this line which is not required. Now this height is given, that is from here it is 10 mm. Finish the sketch, and next extrude, cut section, and that is 10 mm, and cut. Okay, so their depth is over. Next one, I take a circular, you can see this, that is a 12 mm and two holes, means this is the first hole and this is the second hole. So for that one you have to select the plane properly. So this is now plane which start from over here. So now I require it to the center. Now center is not visible over there. For that one I take the line command, I will join, it is a simple method, joining of two diagonals, and we are getting it to the center point. Once the center point I get, I will draw it as a circle which is a 12 mm, and throughout distance means a complete hole will be. So now delete the reference line which is not required. Finish the sketch and extrude from over here, and distance is throughout. Okay. So now here the second object is over. So now you have to see in the diagram whether it is a complete or not, because there is, you can see the chamfer over here, okay, which is showing in the top view also. The chamfer dimension is given 1 into 45. What is the meaning of 1 into 45 and they given chamfer? Means it is a chamfer. 1 is a dimension and angle is 45. So you have to go for 3D chamfer. Okay, 3D chamfer. Out of that you have to select the such a way, because it is a distance, both distance is same. Here also the distance and angle. Third one is, it is a distance and angle, means two distance here. So now which is given for these cases? So which is distance is 1 mm, angle is 45, and asking the face. Okay, sorry, it is edges. It is the face and edges. The edges is 1 mm, and you have to select. So now again it will be visible. Similar will be in other side. You can see this. Okay, there is a chamfer will be over. Now same object means which are the command we have to see first. First, second, third, and chamfer. From starting from first, second, third, and fourth. This should be replica from over here. For that you have to go for it is a mirror command, and that called a 3D mirror command. It's asking that it's a pattern, which is a feature and which is a plane, but the plane is now not visible. For that you have to go to the origin and to see that it is a plane, which is you have to replica. So this is a right plane. Okay, so you can see that it is from the mid section. It is a right plane. Why it is coming to the middle? Because from the starting start from the center point. That's why you're getting now plane in from middle. So that's why that you have to think about that whenever you have to draw the any diagram, you have to start from the center point. Now this plane I make it visible. Okay, now we'll go to the mirror command. I start from the plane which I have got to replica. This is the first one. Press the control button in the keyboard. The second, third, and fourth. Okay, this is the first command, second command, and the bottom third command. Okay, and the last one is the chamfer. This completely will replica to the another side. Now they are asking it is a plane. So this is my plane. So you can see this. So all it will be now visible over here, and press OK. So now the almost your diagram is completed, but only thing is there is a one hole over here. Okay, so this is the hole command. For that one, so it is a there is a two method are there. Either you have to start from this plane and take the this is my reference point, and you have to start measuring the distance whenever I am going to hole over here. For example, if I measuring from distance from here to here, it is 20 mm, because they give it is a 20 mm, and from here to here it is 24 mm. It's 20 plus 24 plus this distance. So this distance is given in which is diameter is 8 mm and depth is 8 mm. Means from here to here the complete distance is become 20 plus. So now the distance is from here to here, it is 20, and from here to here is 24. Total distance become 44. Next, from here to here 44 plus 8 means 44 plus 8 become, it is 52. So now that complete distance is become 52 when if you select the plane from here. So I'll select the plane from the top view. I'll draw the circle. The circle is the from the center point is 8 mm. Now we can see that in a side view the circle is in this plane. Now from here to here depth, how much I have to give? That is, I will go to finish sketch, extrude opposite side, and that is cut. Now, how much the total distance? Now see this distance is 20. Okay, I'll write a 20 plus from here to here distance is given 24 or 24 plus the next one is the depth of this one, they given it is 8 mm. It is 8. Okay, and press OK. And this plane I am making a visibility and removable. So you can see this, there is a hole is created. If you want to see in wireframe mode, view and go to the visual style, wireframe mode, now you can see that is a hole over here. So now the complete model is finished. Only have to give it is the material, which is the material of this one. So material is, to give the material, we know that it is a cast iron, which is a discussed in introduction part. The base is all are the cast iron. So right click the part 1, I properties, the property is a physical, and it is the property, it is a given, it is the material was, it is a cast iron. Okay, apply, close and save this file. So thank you for watching. In next tutorial we are going to discuss it is how to construct the